Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, I'm going to teach you guys how to close a file. Now, once you've saved a file and you don't want to use it anymore and you want to get rid of Microsoft Word, you want to close the file, right? So, the way to do that is you go File, right? Top blue left button on the screen, and you want to go to the fourth button from the top, the Close button, which I'm on right now. Now, before I press that button, I'm going to show you guys one thing. All right, I'm gonna make a change to the document. Let's say Microsoft Work. Okay, slight change. Now, if I go to File and Close, a message is gonna come up from Excel, from Word, saying, "Do you want to save the changes you've made?" Okay, so what does this mean? All this means is Microsoft Word recognized that from the point at which you saved your work, you made an adjustment. You made a change. You changed some text, you added some new colors or a new page, and so on. So it's asking you, do you want to save those changes or don't you? All right. Now, if you do, you just press the first button. You press the save button. All right. If you don't want to save those changes, if those changes were a mistake, you just press don't save. And if you didn't mean to close it, right, you just press cancel. Right? In our case, we want to save it. We want it to stay Microsoft Work. So all we do is press save. And that's going to close Microsoft Word. And that's how you close Microsoft Word. All right? Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys soon.